I tell you, CLP leader is elected by the MLAs, by the secret ballot. He's been elected for 5 years. If he resigns from the leadership, CLP leadership, then the new person will arise.
Sir, do you think the Dalit should replace you at all? CM
Not a Dalit gentleman, I tell you, in 2013, Dr. G. Parmeshwar was the president. He was there for 8 years. During this tenure also, Congress came to power. So, you see, speaking regarding the Dalit, I will not agree with that. On his capacity, on his competency, he has to get it.
So you said you will not be part of DK Shivkumar's cabinet, any particular
No,
reason?
I will not be a part of his cabinet.
Why is that? Why is that?
If he becomes, I will not be a
Currently,
part
are you
of it.
hoping they'll re-induct you in the cabinet? No. Now, Mr. Sidramaya will be the opportunity for
You see, I am regarding the power sharing and the disorder. I may be minister, may not be minister. But only thing I wish, without any reason, I was unceremoniously removed. For that reason, I am very much painful. So all these
what led to it?
You want somebody responsible for you outside from the cabinet?
I will come to you later.